welcome back to the channel. Today I have a crazy challenge I thought I might do. We're going to be seeing if we can build noise cancelling headphones using nothing but this Amazon box right here and whatever we can buy Ace under $50. So let's see if we can do this. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we made it Ace and I have a nice crisp $50 bill right here. So let's go see what we can buy to make these noise cancelling headphones. Is that what we're making? I don't even know how we're going to do this, but let's go in there. Okay, so we're going to try and find like those noise cancelling earmuffs you use for construction. I think we're in the wrong aisle. Didn't find what we needed, but I did find duct tape. We're probably gonna need duct tape, so might as well get some of this stuff. Which is this? It's $11. Might as well buy the Ace brand duct tape. I want a small roll. They don't have any. Oh, look. That'll work. $3. We're good. We don't need pipes. Wire. We already have wire. Maybe closer to speakers, but nope, no, we're getting into sprinklers. Not speakers, they're different. Speakers, sprinklers, whatever. Here we go. We found the electronics aisle. So we have a power bank. We might need that. Headphones, alright. Found some cheap headphones, 10 bucks. These ear clips look nice though. How many are they? $12? We'd still be under our $50 budget. We're doing actually pretty good. These have battery though? No. I want them to be Bluetooth though, so it's not gonna work. Same price. I guess we could get those, but that wouldn't work because we have to have speakers too, so we'll just go with those ones up there. How many are they? $14? Yeah, earplugs. Down the right aisle. Okay, so now we're at $16. I can't do math. What else do we need? We need a speaker, some batteries, and let's go find that. Alright, so we had a successful Ace run. We got everything we needed, and we're gonna go and build it. Let's get to it and do a little montage of all the famous places we're gonna go to on the way home. Alright, so $50 down, this is what we have. Some noise cancelling-ish earmuffs. 2 speakers. And a roll of duct tape. So that's what $50 gets you in this world. And let's take it all apart and build something. Alright, so after a little bit of help from Mr. Prybar over here, we were able to get the top off this with a little bit of gnarly the case. I found out that's a huge speaker. That's a monster right there. We got the battery out and the circuit board, so we're just going to go ahead and hook those into the noise cancelling headphone thingies. Very important, be delicate with these wires. I popped it off again, but I got to resolder it on because obviously, yeah. So don't do what I did. Fully out of the enclosure. We have the speaker, circuit board, the on button, which we're going to have to attach somehow, and let's go. Alright, so we resoldered that, and I have the speaker put into the ear cup with the battery beneath there. I don't know if you can see that. There's the wiring back in there, and this is just kind of floating around. And I think we're just going to put some duct tape over the top of this just to keep it protected and sealed in there. Alright, so I put the duct tape over the top right there. I know it's a little janky looking. Maybe we should just call this Janky Tube, but that's it. You can see the speaker outline right there, and it's kind of weird that the on switch is in your ear, but turn on and off. You can see the blue light flashing. Update, and you got a charging port right there. And I don't know. That's good. I don't even think we're going to use the Amazon box. But I just got to do this to the other side now, and we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, it's a little bit later in the day, and we finally finished the janky headphones. I don't know if you can see, but let me just take these off. Not that cool, can't wear them around my neck. But I kind of added my logo on there, make it kind of cool. Also made out of duct tape because I bought a whole roll of duct tape and we only used like 4 slices, so kind of useless, but you know, it was something to buy with our $50. And we didn't even use our Amazon box, but then I started taping it up like a robot, and I found these beautiful flowers on the edge, so nice flowers. And I don't really know how to show you guys that they work, but just know that they do work. I wouldn't recommend it. It's kind of stupid, a dumb idea, especially where the on button is inside and your power button is like your charging switch, whatever it's called. Your plug, yeah. Especially when the plug's on the inside, you have to like flip the headphone open and do it. But they work. They're like noise canceling-ish, and they don't hurt. They're nice and comfy. The duct tape on your ear doesn't do too bad, and it's kind of squish. You can see the squish right there. Squish, squish, squish. So it was a good project. I'm proud of it, kind of. It was interesting, but you get noise canceling headphones for under $50, so I haven't seen that. If you guys know of noise canceling headphones for under $50, comment below where to find those, because I need some. I'm gonna buy them. Anyways, it's been a good time having you guys, and I think I'm gonna leave you with a little montage of me wearing these at the famous places mentioned earlier in the video. So, goodbye. Like, subscribe, and do whatever you want, I guess. Leave hate comments if that's what you're into, but let's go. Alright, so I just realized a few things. One is that I only went to 2 places. 2, these aren't very comfortable to wear. And 3, these things are literally indestructible. Still good. Still good.